Oracabessa Primary School destroyed by fire. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The government is searching for a new space to accommodate students and staff of the Oracabessa Primary School in St. Mary after sections of the building were destroyed by a fire on Wednesday night. Some 600 students attend the institution along with 32 members of staff to include academic and also ancillary staff. According to reports from the Jamaica Fire Brigade, units from St. Mary and Oracabessa responded to the fire around 11:22 p.m. According to Assistant Commissioner in charge of Area 2, Julian Davis Buckle, the fire destroyed 3 broad rooms at the rear of the premises used for public education, PE and reading room. The cause of the fire is not yet known, but Buckle Davis estimated the extent of the lost content to be $5 million. Amateur videos captured during and after the fire show the extent of the damage when morning came.
As far as right now, I call but I not get you. The whole of down at the something there. I catch a fire down at the which part the peak coach office there. Then and the classroom there, so all of this are burned down. Then so this is how I go on in school here. Down at Oracabessa Primary School.
Matter of fact, the National Education Trust have already written to the board chair and the principal detailing what are the improvements. Some 20 classrooms, a new staff room, new canteen, new auditorium, new computer lab, and a brand new sewage system. And I had insisted that a solar system to operate the school be included into that.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.